All right, Kiran, what would you suggest? I mean, he said he's bought it for investment, but for a stock that after so much news flow or after so much water has flown through the bridge, he's bought it at 40 rupees. Do you think that was the right move on his part?
No, I don't think so. Basically, an investor should always look at the trend, and right now it's in a clear downtrend. And as Rajesh rightly pointed out, this stock has the potential to fall down further. So, looking at the chart pattern for now, I believe that there is a limited headroom and unlimited floor. So the downside is pretty big from here on. There is no conclusive trend reversal price pattern. Only when you get one should go long. But for now, I think it's a clear exit from my side as well.
Okay, Kiran, I'll come to you first on this. On L&T, what is the higher targets that you see on the stock for somebody who's making a bit of money right now? How much upside can they expect from here?
Well, if you look at the long-term charts, a pretty strong chart pattern with around 2.5 years of consolidation, and we got a breakout where we failed, but it's still holding on to the supports. So my suggestion is to hold. Stop loss should be 1300 for now. And if the investor, which he has rightly said, he is a long-term investor, in a year's time, 1550 should be the least possible target. However, next breakout level is 1580. 1580 breakout, the day we get a weekly close above this level, the target would be then 1900. So for now, stop loss at 1300 and keep trailing is what I would suggest.
On Adani Ports, what's the advice? Book partial profits?
Yeah, Adani Ports, basically, if you look at the pattern, it is not a great pattern at all. It has basically given a breakdown of an important level. However, it is holding on for now. So my suggestion is hold with a strict stop loss of 350. He has purchased at 305, so he'll at least protect his profits at least.
Kiran, your view on Yes Bank? On the one hand, he's holding it for the long term, but also he's made the mistake of averaging it on the downside. What would you suggest he do? And is there any hope of him making that 230 rupees, which was his buy price on the stock?
See, to be very honest, I feel bad for this investor, but the facts are facts, and the stock is doing lower tops and lower bottoms. Until the time you don't see a trend reversal price pattern, technically I would suggest him to exit. On the other side, if you look at it, at every fall, he's not the only one. There are thousands of people who have averaged this stock at lower levels. And as the stock moves up, again, there'll be supply coming in because someone or the other will have his break-even point coming up very soon. So there'll be a lot of supply at higher levels. I don't see the stock move up in a swift move. And looking at this, the investor is losing on his ROI as well. So that is also something that is very important where the investor should look at. So for now, I feel exit is the right strategy. You have made a mistake, accept it, move out, search for another counter, and recover the losses through the other counters. That's what my suggestion is.